We didn't have chickens on the road this morning, a story we're doing in just a little bit, but we did have a little bit of a messy commute for people who had to make it, which weren't many people.
No, but those out on the roadways found some slick conditions, especially north and west of Providence. And even now, as we head into the afternoon hours, still finding in spots some lingering light rain and snow. And we'll go down to radar and show you all of that information here. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12. We're continuing to scan the skies. Anything that's falling right now, very light and kind of scattered about, but along 495 up through the Boston area, still seeing some light snow. And even into the Providence metro area, Cranston, Warwick, occasionally catching a flurry or a sprinkle, and that'll be the case into the next couple of hours. The trend is for all of this to wind down, and we'll have a little bit of a lull, but you didn't have to go far out of our area. In fact, just over the border into Worcester and even Boston to find heavy wet snow that did accumulate. In our area is mainly just a slushy coating in our northwestern suburbs, but Worcester, 3-4 inches of snow reported there, and it was heavy wet snow, so it's snapping tree limbs and power lines and causing some power outages today. Closer to home, it's the winds that have been an issue. 31 Emerald Bay Manor in Cumberland right now. You can watch for some slick spots, the areas that are below freezing. Johnston's at 34, 37 at the Coast Guard House in Narragansett, and in the upper 30s at Bank Newport. I expect these temperatures will fall below freezing overnight, so anything that's wet will likely freeze up, and so some patchy black ice early tomorrow morning. Certainly a possibility. Meanwhile, we're still under that wind advisory. The area shaded in blue. High wind warning for the Cape and the islands, where the winds will be even stronger, up to 50 to 60 miles per hour. But right now, we're all dealing still with these strong winds, 20, 25 mile per hour sustained many areas. Live city cam pictures showing the gray scene over Providence and a damp feel. Humidity still at nearly 90%. And even though it's been 35, it's been hanging there all day long, the winds are making it feel much colder, making it feel in the middle 20s. That's the wind chill. 37 in Warwick from Caitlin, which is calmer than this morning. 35 from Mike in New Bedford, dry and windy, and Kelly in Westport. 34, still with some flurries and those gusty winds. In most areas picked up an inch and a half of rainfall starting yesterday afternoon and then lingering into today before that brief changeover to the wintry mix. Here's the center of our storm system, and it's going to continue to work its way out over the ocean north and east. So as it does, the winds will start to diminish this afternoon. And I expect skies will stay mostly cloudy, but we should dry out with a little bit of a lull in our action for tonight and even tomorrow morning. There's another real quick system, though. This one's a weak one that's going to dive down out of Canada. This is 9:30 tonight, just cloudy skies lingering and a dry start to your morning tomorrow. So heading into work or school looks fine. Watch what happens into the afternoon. Here comes a few light rain and snow showers as that system passes by. They should wind down tomorrow evening and night. For this afternoon, windy, a few flurries, about 35 to 40 degrees. South Coast coming in close to 37. Coventry at 34. Northern suburbs staying pretty much where you are. Lower 30s for highs, and in the mid and upper 30s southeastern Massachusetts with a lingering flurry. Tonight, mostly cloudy with those icy spots possible. Light rain, snow showers tomorrow afternoon, with a high close to 40 degrees. I don't expect this will be any big deal, just more of a nuisance than anything else. Wednesday stays mostly cloudy, dry Thursday and Friday right now. We've got to watch an offshore storm system for Friday. Right now it looks like it'll be far enough south that it won't bother us.
Man.
We'll keep an eye on. But yeah, pretty busy weather pattern that we're in every couple of days having to watch these systems.
Seemingly every week. In the middle of the week, the end of the week, we're watching something.
It is. Keeps me busy and employed,
It's
I guess.
New England, right?
Exactly.
Stick around. Thank you.